started to fly.
What? Have they got through the vent?
No, but I think they're trying to fly and it's just come to the nearest escape police thing that's open. Come. Actually, you might be better off getting a tea towel.
No.
No,
you
No, go and get a tea
No,
towel.
use that.
No, fuck off. Go and get a tea towel. Can you go and get a tea towel?
I need to check my vent.
Go and get a tea towel, goddammit!
Oh, you know. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, this one. Oh, everyone needs to chill out.
I don't know where to put it.
Oh, yeah. That's just a shaving.
Right, you need to be quiet. Come on.
I thought it was in Danny's room.
Oh, it's a baby. Look. Oh. And it can't fly, obviously. Do you want it pecking my hand, though? Oh, poor little thing must be scared to shit on my new carpet. Fucking thing, it's been off shit on my bed. Look at it, shit on my carpet. I'll get some bread.
Okay.
Just a little bit, Anthony.
Out dusk. Come on. There you go. You stay out.
Hold it. Oh. Come on.
Let me send the guitar.
Come on.
Hello, baby.
It is.
Fuck you don't.
Oh my god!
Can fly.
Huh?
Can fly.
Oh, it's took the bread.
I can't go out the bloody window. It's just staring itself out in the mirror. Look at it. I thought you said it was in Danny's room.
Can it fly?
What were you saying?
So what should I do? Pick it up and put it out the window?
If you let it grab it, it'll probably fly off when you grab it. When you go to grab it.
Oh my god, this is scary. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I'm gonna have to chuck a tea towel over it, aren't
You're gonna have to chuck it.
Amber, you're not helping.
I know.
Oh shit!
Oh! Oh!
Come on. Oh.
Shut the door.
I'm shutting the door.
Oh
my god.
Get out of the way.
Oh my god.
Shit, you're all over the fucking wall.
No!
Stop filming because I'm in my fucking boxes.